my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some profiteroles with 3 different fillings. The first filling will be a vanilla pastry cream, the second filling will be a chocolate pastry cream, and the third will be a homemade strawberry ice cream. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Let's start off with the fillings. In a bowl, add in 6 tablespoons of sugar, 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, 2½ teaspoons cornflour and 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. Whisk until well combined. Slowly pour in half of 2 cups of warm milk, whisking throughout. This is called tempering the eggs, so that they don't scramble. Pour the mixture back into the pot. Place over medium heat and continue whisking until the mixture thickens. Allow this mixture to come to the boil, remove from the heat and add in 3 tablespoons of butter and mix it through. Pour the mixture into a bowl and cover with cling wrap. Make sure the cling wrap touches the pastry cream. This will prevent a skin from forming. Allow the mixture to cool down slightly, then place in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. For the chocolate pastry cream, I added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for 1 cup of vanilla pastry cream. Next is the homemade strawberry ice cream. In a bowl with half a cup of chopped up strawberries, add in ½ cup of caster sugar. Give that a mix. Then add in 1 teaspoon lemon juice and mix it through. Blend this mixture until smooth. Add in 1 cup of cream, ½ cup of sugar, the strawberry mixture, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Turn on the ice cream maker and slowly pour in the ice cream base. Churn the ice cream until it is the consistency that you want. Then place the ice cream into a container and place in the freezer until needed. Next is the profiteroles. In a pot over medium heat, with 116 grams of butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of water, mix until the butter has melted, and bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Add in 1 cup of flour and mix vigorously until the dough comes off the sides of the pot and is smooth and shiny. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Place the dough into a bowl and add in 4 eggs, one at a time. Making sure that before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Place the dough into a piping bag and pipe blobs onto a lined baking tray. Wet your finger with water and smooth out the pointy tops. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then remove from the oven and poke a small hole into it, and place back into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. This is to dry out the center. Allow the profiteroles to cool down completely. Next is the chocolate topping. In a bowl with 2 teaspoons cornflour, add in 2 tablespoons of milk and mix until well combined. In a saucepan over medium heat, add in the 1 cup of remaining milk, and add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and bring this mixture to the boil. Add in the cornflour mixture and mix until thick. Add in the vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Add in 75 grams of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow to sit for a few minutes, then whisk the mixture until smooth. In a pot over medium heat, add in 8 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of cream. Bring to the boil while stirring throughout. Remove from the heat and add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix to combine. Allow this mixture to cool down slightly. Poke a hole in the bottom of the profiterole. I use the knife. And fill with chocolate pastry cream. Then fill the next lot with vanilla pastry cream. And the next lot with strawberry ice cream. Plate the profiteroles, and I used a different topping for each different flavor of profiterole. For the chocolate profiteroles, I dusted with icing sugar. For the vanilla pastry cream, I used a brown sugar sauce. And for the homemade strawberry ice cream, I used the chocolate sauce. I hope you try to make these at home and enjoy!